Hi guys, once again we are bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from AliExpress and Amazon sites, which helps you to choose the right products easily. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell. So let's get started. Number 1. Charge 4-in-1 multifunctional timer, digital clock, digital timer, countdown timer, Pomodoro timer, 5000 mAh portable charger included, 20W USB fast charging includes capsule portal, charged by Geek. For timer modes equipped with a precise gravity sensing system and not only a digital clock, but also a visual timer, digital hourglass and Pomodoro timer after the flip. It is widely used in your daily study, fitness and yoga, work meetings, kitchen cooking etc. It allows you to better control your time and not waste a second. Number 2. Fomemo M08FA4 portable thermal printer, supports 8.26 inches by 11.69 inches A4 thermal paper, wireless mobile travel printers for car and office, Bluetooth printer compatible with Android and iOS phone and laptop. Compact design, Fomemo M08FA4 portable printer is compact and portable, 80% smaller in size and weight than traditional printers, effortless to hold with one hand. The thermal printer is suitable for any scenarios that require mobile printing in business, travel, car, office, school. For example, print invoices, exam documents, lists and contracts on site. Number 3. Night Eyes R170 RC01 or 7 Radiant 170 rechargeable clip strap and cap light, black. Turn gear into task lighting instantly, lightweight design clips onto hat brims and straps to create low-profile LED task lighting in seconds. Hands-free light makes tasks simple. Adjustable clip light allows you to focus 170 lumens of light on any task at hand. From camping to cooking to cars, adjustable tilt works with you. The detachable clip light body can tilt up to 180 degrees or 90 degrees when attached to a hat brim, and features 4 modes with red and white light. Number 4. Benro Snapov Mate 3-axis gimbal camera bundle with BK15 mini tripod. Snapov Mate 3-axis gimbal camera, carrying case, strap, USB-C to USB-A charging cable, mini tripod, smartphone adapter, Bluetooth remote control, CR1632 3V lithium-ion battery, mate bracket, Benro 1-year limited warranty. Number 5. Tronsmart Bang 60W Bluetooth speakers with subwoofer, IPX6 waterproof loud Bluetooth speaker with 7 LED color light, 24H playtime Bluetooth portable speaker with handle for outdoor, party. 60W loud Bluetooth speaker. The Tronsmart Bang Bluetooth speakers with a subwoofer have 2 tweeters, 2 mid-woofers, and a passive radiator on each end. This keeps the audio with excellent acoustic tuning. With patented technology, SoundPulse Audio Feast gives you an impactful acoustic carnival with rousing highs. Number 6. SnapSafe TrekLite Gun Safe Lockbox with TSA combination lock. SnapSafe TrekLite Lockbox experience heavy-duty protection at 1/3 of the weight of steel. This lightweight and portable gun safe easily fits in your suitcase, drawer, or under a car seat to provide secure storage for handguns and other valuables at home, or when traveling heavy-duty and sturdy. The SnapSafe combination lockbox has an impact-resistant polycarbonate construction for exceptional toughness. It includes a 1,500 pounds rated security cable for securing to stationary objects at home or in your vehicle. Open using personalized 4-digit combination. Number 7. Mini Power Bank 10,000 mAh external spare battery with portable charging power cable flashlight for iPhone, Xiaomi, Samsung charger. Certification, PSE, RoHS C, FCC Max input, 10W shell material, plastic features, with flashlight, built-in cables, digital display, charger and battery in one, with LED lamp, with plug support, quick charge technology, 2-way quick charge input interface, USB Type-C, USB output interface, micro USB, Lightning, USB-A, USB Type-C battery type. Le Polymer battery brand name, Lanville origin, mainland China type, portable power bank. Number 8. CX02 mobile phone wireless charging cooling fan for PUBG semiconductor gaming accessories game cooler for iPhone Xiaomi radiator. Batteries included, no brand name, Canlinese room origin, mainland China certification, FCC RoHS model number 1, CX02 power supply mode 1. Comes with USB charging cable product weight 1, 136.4 G wiring length 1, about 1.5 meters packing list 1, radiator plus power cord plus manual packing size 1, 881130mm model number 2, F10 power supply mode 2, comes with USB charging cable product weight 2, 155 G product material 2, ABS plus chip wiring length 2, about 1.5 meters packing list 2, radiator plus power cord plus. Manual packing size 2, 134x95x35mm after placing an order, 1 pair gaming finger cots as a gift. Number 9. DJI mic, wireless lavalier microphone, 250mm range, 15-hour battery, noise cancellation, wireless microphone for PC, iPhone, Android, record interview, vlogs. All-in-one storage, ready to use and all-in-one design makes it ultra-portable and accessible. 2 transmitters and the receiver are pre-linked, charged, and securely stored in the charging case. 250mm range, with a max transmission range of 250 meters in open, unobstructed environments, DJI mic is ideal for scenarios like live streaming, vlogging, and outdoor recording. Number 10. Govee Outdoor Neon Rope Lights, 32.8 feet Robic IP67 waterproof neon lights with 64 plus scenes, music sync, flexible LED rope lights for yard garden patio, works with Alexa, Google Assistant. Smart voice control, manage your outdoor rope lights with simple voice commands via Alexa, Google Assistant, and Govee Home app. Enjoy access to more features such as timer and DIY, helping you create a vibrant garden decor. Number 11. Joben Triple Torch Jet Metal Lighter Pipe Lighter with Cigar Cutter Visible Transom Windproof Flame Accessories Gadgets Men. Perfect lighter, after filling with gas, 100% firing with a strong flame. Much better than Honest, which I ordered before. The only minus is that the courier did not deliver it to the address, but to pick it up at another place, especially that they got into the right hands. Number 12. Rolling Square InCharge 6 Portable Keychain Charger Cable, 6-in-1 Multi-Charging Cable, Saturn Gold. Keychain Charger, our Lightning, USB-C, USB and Micro USB charger cable is lightweight, portable and easy to use. The magnetic design allows you to easily snap the heads together and hang it on your keyring. Number 13. Pocket Mobile Microscope 20x 400x Magnification Educational Toy Portable Microscope for all smartphone. No need for batteries. Explore the micro world and share your findings with friends with a clicking share. Take photos and videos with the app, everything you have seen. Share them with friends on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube and others. Search and download TinyScope in Google Play or App Store. If you have any question, please feel free to contact us. Number 14. Nectec 21W Solar Charger with 2 USB port, IPX4 waterproof portable and foldable hiking camping gear. SunPower USB solar panel compatible with iPhone, iPad, Samsung Galaxy, and more. High efficiency. The high efficiency of its 3 solar monocrystalline panels cell is based on SunPower Maxion technology that allows the USB solar charger to reach 21% to 24% of conversion efficiency while providing enough power. Number 15. Tranmix Solar Charger 25,000 mAh, portable solar phone charger with 4 solar panels, high-capacity solar power bank external battery pack for smartphones, tablets and hiking, camping.